Hello, my name is Kavita Anand, and I have been in Mumbai for most of the part of my life. I have had an experience in marketing and branding for almost 12 years. Recently, I shifted to Gurgaon about a year back, and I wanted to be by my own. I wanted to start up something, but I was not very clear as to what and how. Then I started reading on some journals on import and export, and there is where I came across this EXIM Clinic, the name EXIM Clinic. I came up to meet this industry stalwart, Mr. Singh, who is actually, for me, the import and export guru who taught us everything about what import and export is all about. And after meeting him, most importantly, I actually realized what my goal in life in terms of business should be. He has gone just beyond books to explain us what import and export business means and how we can take it up to meet our personal goals in life also. And he's not only a teacher, he's more than that, he's actually a mentor. He's a knowledge data mine when it comes to import and export management. The way the detailing and the nitty-gritties that he has got into with us has really gone a long way in paving a bright future of ours in this industry. Thanks to him, I'm on the verge of now opening up my own company, and with his mentoring, I'm sure it will be an access to a great extent. Thank you.